Creativity knows no budget. You can be creative using cheap materials, and I learned it after using these $1 glitter pens.
Take my pride away from me.
Hello?
Hey, I want my artwork by morning.
Sure.
Also, why you use costly markers? I mean, not everyone can afford it.
Why do I have to use cheap pens or markers when I have my costly alcohol markers? Yeah, I ran out of marker ink. I guess I have to buy some cheap glitter pens.
Your will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. Let's go. Thoughts can keep you down, pushing deep until you drown, or they can keep you up strong, focused on the now. Glass half full, or has it been emptied out? Well, that's all up to you and your mind. Do you doubt anything, everything, not a thing? Make my thoughts work for me, manifest what I need, what I want, what I see. I could be anything, I attract all the things that I see. I believe I'll achieve as I breathe in and out again and again. I don't doubt, I sit and I plan, and I found out that I can execute if I'm driven, if I listen, if I learn all the wisdom. Read some books, something written, watch the best, teach a system I invest. Never hidden, I ain't scared, ain't no chicken, I take dares. I'll be winning, you get back what you're giving. Find the reason that you're living, what you're good at, all your gifts and what you love. Take a risk and find out what you've been missing. Yeah. The will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose. The will lies deep way under the surface, and like a fire needs coal in the furnace. This is your goal that makes it all worth it. This is your why that gives you your purpose.
This is the second part of the series, testing and reviewing cheap art materials. I know most of you guys can't afford costly markers or crayons, so I'm making this series of videos for you guys so that you don't end up buying things that you don't like or does not matter to you. Subscribe if you want more videos like this, and also it helps this channel keep creating.